I don't know why you seem to be nomadic. My tears wanna leave me through the sudden. Is it necessary to suffer harder for this fucking life to maintain?